Is it on? Okay. Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today I'm just going to be telling you some reasons to switch to Linux. Okay, there are the 6 reasons I can think of is just, the first one is availability. The good thing about Linux is there's many distributions that are available. To name a few, there are Fedora, Zorin OS, Linux Lite, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Manjaro, Arch Linux, OpenSUSE, I think it's called. I don't know what else, but there is a lot more than that. The second one is that it's completely free. Well, one of them isn't free, it's paid and it's like $99. It's just Red Hat Enterprise Linux. That's paid. That's it. That's not really any other ones that are paid, but there's all free, mostly all free. That means that you can get stuff that's open source. Most everything is open source. There are app stores like the Snap Store to get applications. There are a lot of things. There are applications for screen recording, applications for video editing, photo editing, office stuff, games. You can even get Steam, but all games are not available. Like, there's some games are available, but not all of them. That's what I meant. Yeah, not all games are available for Linux. You have a lot of things. Next, it is fast. When it's fast, you can get stuff done. Well, there are some Linux distributions out there that are a little bit heavy because there are a lot of things running, but most of them, like Linux Lite, is completely fast. Linux Lite only requires like around a gigabyte of RAM, so basically you're going to revive that old computer. And yeah, it's really fast sometimes. So yeah. Next, it is for beginners and advanced users. When it's for beginners, you have like Zorin OS, Linux Lite, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, all those. But what are more for advanced people are like Arch Linux, Gentoo Linux. Other basically Arch-based Linux distributions are kind of harder, like Manjaro. Well, Manjaro is kind of easy. It's pretty easy. So yeah. 5. You can test it from a USB. That means basically you can try it out without doing anything from your hard drive. Just boot off the USB and it should let you try it out before installing. So that means nothing will happen to your hard drive. You can just try it out and nothing will happen to your hard drive. It'll just perfectly fine. It will go off the USB. 6, it's just good. It's perfect for people that are programmers, people who just don't want to use Windows or Mac OS. It's just way easy. It's just way good to use Linux because there is a lot of software, a lot of things you can do with it. And yeah, there are a lot of things you can do. So yeah, if you switch to Linux, it's just good. It's perfect. Problem is, you can't really run Windows applications unless you use something called Wine or Play on Linux. So yeah, that's some problems with it. You can't run exe files unless you use one of those things like Wine or Play on Linux. So I recommend you think about that really hard before you even install Linux, any version of Linux. It's not really Windows programs that are on there. So, yeah. There are a lot of things available, but it's pretty nice to use. It's fast, way faster than Windows. Most of the time, so getting things done. So yeah, just wanted to tell you some reasons to switch to Linux. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.